Welcome! If you're tired of captions automatically popping up on videos while using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off those captions for good, even after the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. Another menu will appear, and here you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize a variety of options for your Facebook experience. Now, look for the section labeled Media. This is where Facebook stores all the settings related to how videos and photos are displayed. Click on Media to enter this section. Inside the Media settings, you'll see an option labeled Always Show Captions. By default, this might be turned on, which is why captions keep appearing on your videos. To stop captions from automatically showing, simply disable this option by clicking the toggle switch next to it. Once it's turned off, Facebook will no longer display captions on videos unless you choose to turn them on manually for a specific video. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic captions on videos in the Facebook app on your PC. Now you can watch your videos without any unwanted text cluttering your screen. If you ever want to turn captions back on, just follow these steps again and enable the option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your caption-free Facebook experience.